If you're into AI writing or coding, you're going to want to stick around because this is big. OpenAI has launched a brand new feature called Canvas, and it's not just a minor tweak. This could genuinely change the way we collaborate with AI, especially for those working on complex projects. I've gone through everything from demos to behind-the-scenes details, and I'm about to break it all down for you. If you've ever used ChatGPT to write an email or generate code, you know it's pretty good. But it still struggles with longer, more complicated projects. OpenAI has been paying attention and has introduced Canvas, an entirely new interface that takes ChatGPT beyond just the basic chat window. With this new update, Canvas lets you work alongside the AI in a side-by-side window. Instead of typing commands into a chat and waiting for a response, you get a dedicated workspace where both you and ChatGPT can fine-tune ideas together. You can directly generate text or code, highlight sections for the AI to focus on, and then get suggestions, edits, or even complete rewrites. This interactive environment helps bridge the gap between simple prompts and more sophisticated project development, making it a powerful tool for anyone needing more from their AI. Canvas is designed to help you manage complex workflows, whether you're writing, coding, or organizing projects. It makes collaboration seamless, allowing you to easily shift between generating new content and refining existing ideas. The flexibility of this workspace ensures that the AI can adapt to your needs, whether it's providing quick suggestions or working through detailed, iterative processes. Right now, Canvas is rolling out in beta for ChatGPT Plus and Teams users. If you're on the Enterprise or EDU plans, you'll get access this week. Eventually, when it's out of beta, it will be available to everyone, even on the free tier. For now, you need one of the paid plans to use it. To use Canvas, you can either manually select GPT-4 with Canvas from ChatGPT's model picker, or ChatGPT might automatically open Canvas if it detects that it could be useful for your project. For example, if you're writing something lengthy or working on a complex coding task, Canvas will automatically pop up. You can also type "Use Canvas" in the chat if you want to open it manually. Canvas also integrates smoothly into your existing workflow. Whether you're starting a project from scratch or picking up where you left off, the AI will provide context-sensitive recommendations to help streamline your process. This adaptability makes Canvas an ideal tool for ongoing projects that require consistent updates and iterations. For writers, this feature is a game changer. During a demo, OpenAI's product manager, Daniel Levine, showed how you can use Canvas to generate emails. Instead of just getting the output in the normal chat format, it opens in the Canvas window. From there, you've got several tools at your fingertips. For example, if the email is too long, there's a slider that lets you adjust the length to make it shorter or longer. You can also highlight specific sentences and ask ChatGPT to make them sound friendlier, or even add emojis to lighten the mood. You can also translate the entire text into another language right in Canvas. Another handy feature for writers is the Final Polish option, which checks the grammar, clarity, and consistency of your draft so it's ready to send or publish without needing to comb through every word. Think of it as your editor on standby. Canvas also allows writers to create outlines quickly and efficiently. You can provide a topic or idea, and ChatGPT will generate a structured outline that you can refine and expand upon. This feature is particularly useful for content creators who need to develop detailed articles, blog posts, or even book chapters. By having a visual representation of your outline, you can easily rearrange sections and add new ideas as they come to you. Another excellent feature is the ability to maintain different versions of a text. As you iterate on your writing, Canvas allows you to save multiple versions so you can easily compare changes and revert to previous drafts if needed. This makes it easier to experiment with different tones, styles, or approaches without losing your original work. If you're a coder, Canvas truly shines. Many of us have been using ChatGPT for quick coding fixes or API generation, but it hasn't always been ideal for larger projects. With Canvas, OpenAI has added a bunch of features that make coding more collaborative and easier to track. When you generate code, it shows up in the Canvas window, and you can immediately add comments with a simple button press, useful for inline documentation. You can also highlight sections of the code and ask ChatGPT to explain what that block is doing or answer specific questions about it. There's even a review code button that looks at the entire script and suggests specific edits. If ChatGPT finds a bug or sees room for improvement, it will make suggestions, and you can approve, tweak, or reject them. If you approve, ChatGPT will try to fix the code itself, making it a true collaborator. Other coding shortcuts include adding logs and comments, fixing bugs, and even porting your code to another language like JavaScript, PHP, Java, or C++. The AI assistant integrates seamlessly into your workflow, making every step more efficient. Canvas also offers a code history feature, which allows you to track changes over time. This is particularly helpful for larger projects where multiple versions of code are developed. You can easily revert to a previous version or compare two versions to see what changes were made. The AI can even provide insights into why certain changes might be beneficial, making it an active partner in the development process. Additionally, the integrated debugging tool in Canvas helps you identify and fix issues in your code more efficiently. Highlighting a problematic section allows ChatGPT to not only explain what might be wrong, but also offer potential fixes. This interactive debugging process saves time and helps coders learn best practices. Canvas is part of a bigger shift in the AI industry. ChatGPT and other AI models aren't just about giving you answers anymore. We're moving into an era where AI is a genuine collaborator, helping you work through tasks in real time and even anticipating your needs. Canvas solves many of the limitations of traditional chatbots by making the process of refining your work seamless. OpenAI is not alone in this. Competitors like Anthropic and Google are developing similar collaborative AI tools, and it's exciting to see where this is heading. As these tools evolve, we're likely to see even greater integration into everyday workflows, turning AI from a helpful assistant into an essential partner in creativity and productivity. Canvas represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI, transforming it from a static question-answer model to an interactive, dynamic workspace. This change is poised to make a significant impact across multiple fields, including writing, coding, education, and project management. Despite some changes in leadership at OpenAI, the company seems confident in the future of Canvas. According to OpenAI's Chief Product Officer, Kevin W., 2025 could be the year we see AI systems truly go mainstream. Not just as tools, but as digital agents that can perform tasks on their own. The current beta version of Canvas is just the start. OpenAI plans to make it even smarter, with faster triggers for when you might need it, better accuracy in detecting what needs to be edited, and more advanced features. They're also looking at improving the transparency of coding edits, so it's easier to track changes made by the AI. Future iterations of Canvas will likely include deeper integrations with other software tools and platforms, allowing for even more seamless workflows. Imagine being able to connect Canvas directly with your favorite project management software, or having AI suggest third-party tools to help you complete tasks more efficiently. OpenAI is also looking at expanding Canvas's ability to work offline, making it accessible even when you don't have an internet connection. The team is also exploring advanced customization options, allowing users to tailor the AI's behavior more closely to their individual needs. This could include setting specific preferences for how edits are suggested, creating personalized templates for common tasks, and even developing plugins to expand Canvas's capabilities further. If you're excited about what Canvas can do, make sure to try it out if you're on Plus or Teams. For everyone else, stay tuned. This feature will roll out to all users once it's out of beta. Canvas is more than just an upgrade. It's a reimagining of how we interact with AI in our daily lives. Whether you're a writer, coder, or project manager, Canvas has something to offer that can enhance productivity, creativity, and collaboration. That's all I've got for today. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what you think about Canvas. Are you going to try it out? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.